Do you need me, boss? Oh. Okay. But that's not gonna cover it. We just got a deal. I'll be cooking that anti-life equation. So I'll be back. Got a deal.
Check it out!
Hello everyone, my name is Jeff, the chef, and welcome to the show. We're going to be cooking trigonometry ratios because today we'll be learning about the basics of that and the solving of that problem. But keep in mind, we always have to remember the rules of Sakatuya. So, stay tuned. So we're gonna start with our basics. Now we're gonna start with our Jason, hypotenuse, our opposite, to create our Sakatuya. So we start with a hypotenuse over a height, and with sine. For cosine, we have to get adjacent to a hypotenuse, so it's adjacent over hypotenuse to know that it's a cosine. So, same as the sine, except we have adjacent. So, again, opposite or adjacent can have tan. Well, looks like we got all our ingredients. Now it's time to cook our dishes. So we're starting out with the sine. The sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So we're going to start this. We're going to start with the first one. We're going to put it in here. Now for the second one, the second ingredient, we're going to use cosine. Cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. So I'm going to put this here as like the first one. So we're going to use that last ingredient. That's going to be tangent. Tangent is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So we're going to put it over here as our last ingredient.
1 hour later.
So it's giving us an X. So we're going to go down. And it's giving us a 4. That 4 is going to be opposite. Because for sine, we have to look for opposite over hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. So what we're going to do is going to put 4 over 5. So if this is an opposite for cosine, then this might be adjacent. But for cosine, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, so as for 5. So what we're going to do is 3 over 5. For our final one will be tan. And tan, again, is opposite over adjacent. So this, as 4, is the opposite. So this is our first one for opposite. And for 3, because if it's adjacent, that's our 3 then. So that's going to be 4 over 3. So we learned about the basic about sakatuya as our first basic dish. Now it's going to be your turn to make your favorite dish. Boss, I got the anti-life equation. But my stuff? Oh, yeah. This is fine, and this looks legit. Uh, our deal is done, and boss, it's nice working with you.